Hey guys, wanted to give you a quick update on Lee Progressive Press content, plus give you an update from KMS Squared, maker of the world's finest press light, the UFO. But first, let's talk about this guy over here. This Lee Loadmaster is a bit of a rock star. I think I brought this press onto the channel in about 2008, so I've been working with it for about 12 years or so. And the 45 ACP video that I put together with this very press has racked up more views than any other reloading-oriented video that I've published. Over 1 million views. Plus, I covered a bunch of stuff. Caliber changeovers, rifle loading, pistol loading, all that. I've upgraded it with a KMS Squared UFO-LM press light. It's got the original wooden plate mount for the ultimate reloader bench system. It's time to revisit the Loadmaster. I never did an unboxing video for the Lee Loadmaster, and that's what we're going to do. So I've got a brand new Loadmaster here in 9mm. We're going to do the unboxing, the setup, loading 9. We're going to install the new, latest and greatest, upgraded UFO-LM press light, and I'm going to get it mounted properly on an inline fabrication quick change ultra mount. That will be awesome, but there's more. We're also going to do the same with the Lee Pro 4000. This is the new kit form of the Lee Breechlock Auto Pro Progressive Press. Why are we doing all this? Well, a couple things. I've had a lot of you say, hey, bring us more budget-oriented reloading content, or hey, that Mark 7 press is too expensive. Well, my commitment is to show every reloading press, from the Lee Pro 1000 all the way up to the Mark 7 Evolution. And that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm wrapping up all of that content in the biggest, the baddest progressive press shootout coming summer 2020. So I've got a lot of work to do to get ready for that, and these videos are going to be paving the way towards that goal. As I mentioned, the UFO-LM is updated. It's the best light you can get for the Lee Loadmaster. And if you use the UR10 discount code, you can actually save 10% off your entire order for UFO press lights, regardless of which press they're for. So if you are quarantined, if you're stuck at home, you're going to want to use that UR10 discount code and shed some light on the situation when you're reloading. Don't forget to subscribe with notifications to see these unboxing videos, these reloading videos, and that ultimate press shootout, the progressive press shootout coming summer 2020. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.